Oh hey! Ałts'áníshgéésh. Merry Christmas. And welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to continue with our lessons on food preparation verbs. To say I'm cutting it in Navajo, you'd say Ałts'áníshgéésh. Ałts'áníshgéésh. I'm cutting it. And that's usually in half lengthwise. Or if you were cutting apart a turkey. To say I'm cutting the potato, you would say Namasi, Ałts'áníshgéésh. Namasi, Ałts'áníshgéésh. If I'm telling you to cut the onion, I would say Ochin, Ałts'áníshgéésh. Ochin, Ałts'áníshgéésh. If my brother was cutting a pineapple, I'd say Sitsila, Bilisana Dawuja, Ałts'áníshgéésh. Sitsila, Bilisana Dawuja, Ałts'áníshgéésh. Now, if I was cutting food into slices or dicing them up in cubes for soup, I would say Neheshgéésh. Neheshgéésh. If I'm cutting up mutton, I'd say Debebitsin, Neheshgéésh. Debebitsin, Neheshgéésh. If I'm telling you to cut up the celery, I would say Ałts'álétso, Neheshgéésh. Ałts'álétso, Neheshgéésh. Now, if I'm saying my sister is cutting the potatoes, I would say Shade Namasi Neheshgéésh. Shade Namasi Neheshgéésh. In my mom's house, if she's telling me to cut something into half-inch cuts, she would say Ałts'áníshgéésh, Neheshgéésh. If she wants them in 1-inch cuts, she would say Ałts'ágo, Neheshgéésh, or Oyo Ałts'ágo, Neheshgéésh. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. I'm cutting it. Ałts'áníshgéésh or Neheshgéésh. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Neheshgéésh